Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Scene mobile build credit app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Scene is a mobile credit building app designed to help users establish or improve their credit scores by reporting qualifying payments to major credit bureaus. Instead of relying on traditional credit cards or loans, the app allows users to build credit through recurring payments such as subscriptions, rent-like expenses, and other eligible transactions. It's available on both iOS and Android, offering a simple, beginner-friendly interface for those new to credit building. The app's main feature is automated payment reporting. You connect your accounts, and Scene monitors and reports eligible payments to help strengthen your credit history over time. It also includes tools like payment tracking, reminders, spending insights, and real-time updates on your credit progress. By using payments you already make, Scene aims to make credit building more accessible and convenient. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its ease of setup, straightforward design, and ability to help build credit without taking on debt. The automation and tracking features also help users stay consistent with their financial habits. In addition, the app is useful for people with thin or no credit files who need a simple pathway to get started. However, there are some drawbacks. Certain features may require a subscription, and not all types of payments may qualify for reporting. Some users also note delays in updates or limited customization depending on their financial setup. The app also relies on secure account connections, which may not appeal to users uncomfortable linking bank information. In summary, the Scene app may be worth using if you want a simple, non-credit card method to build your credit using everyday payments. However, if you prefer free tools, do not want to link financial accounts, or need broader credit building options, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.